Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in our today video, we will be providing you the information regarding how you can upskill in 2024. So there are 10 courses which are waiting for you to go and start learning in that courses. And these courses are provided by SimplyLearn. SimplyLearn is a renowned company who is known for his course creation and content creation in the education field. And if you watch the video till end, there will be a special bonus offer for you in which you will get free of courses, all the courses of the SimplyLearn at free of cost. Just you have to watch this video till end. Then at the end, I will be providing all the procedure and process for you for getting the getting free of courses at SimplyLearn. So before starting the video, make sure you are subscribed to our channel for getting this amazing update and course benefit. Like the video and share the video to those whosoever is looking for these courses update. And I am happy to tell you that we are participating in a challenge in which we will be completing 1K subscriber on YouTube in just 2 months. So provide some love and support to our channel by just subscribing to it. And meanwhile, if you have any doubt, just let us know in the comment box. Now moving towards our courses. So these are the 10 courses which are waiting for you, and at the end of this video, I will be telling you that how you can get all the courses of SimplyLearn at free of cost. So watch this video till end. Now starting with programming with Python 3.x. So it is a free of cost 3 hour of self-paced video lesson. Now there will be a certification make a quite important role in your upskilling and help you to showcase your abilities to any HR or any person standing in front of you. So certification at all the 10 courses are certified by the SimplyLearn. So you can just go and start learning. Just you have to click on the start learning button, and so, or you can also watch this intro video for you. Now it will be 90-day. You will have these courses assessed. Then you get an offer, enroll and win reward. If you get enrolled to this certification, then you have a chance to win different reward from here. So these are the major topics which will be explaining in this certification. So this type of certification will you get after completion this course. Now Python is the third popular language and among the professional software, and about this type of annual median Python developer salary. So different facts are there. You can just go and apply for this. Now moving towards our second certification, that is Introduction to the C++. So it will be again a free course of 6 hour. Completion certification will be there for you, and these are listed. All the required link will be provided you in the description. Just go and check it out. Now these are the different topics which will you will learn in this course. So again, C++ is also in the top 3 languages, and about 100K dollars an average annual salary for C++. Now moving towards our third certification, that is Introduction to Front-End Development. So it will be a 42 hour of self-paced course, and there will be completion certification, and you will get a 90-day of assess like important topic like C++, JavaScript, HTML, GitHub, React.js and Angular will be taught in this certification. This type of certification you will get, and about 27% growth in jobs for the web developer in USA by 2024, and about 100K dollars is the average annual salary for the front-end developer. Now moving towards our fourth certification, that is Introduction to R Programming. That is again 3 hour course, and so there will be a completion certification and 90-day of assess for you. R basic data analysis, statistical distribution, linear regression with R are the major topic will be taught in this course. This type of certification you will get, and this is trusted by tech giant like Amazon, Accenture, Deloitte are using R programming for their benefit, and about 69K dollars the average annual salary for the data analyst, and it is boosting domain. Now moving towards our fifth certification, that is website creation 101, website creation using JavaScript. So website creation, web design, JavaScript are the major topic. It will be a 3 hour course. Completion certification will be there. 90-day of assess you will get. Now JavaScript is most popular programming language, and 110K dollar is the average JavaScript developer income. Now moving towards our sixth course, that is website UI and UX design using ChatGPT. So by completing this certification, you will become a UI UX designer. So different important topics are listed here. You can get this detail in the description box. Just click on the link and go to this. Get these courses free of cost. There will be a completion certificate, and it will be looking like this. And now moving towards our seventh certification, that is mobile app development, Android app development for beginner. So it will be a beginner level course. That is why it is 1 hour course, and there will be a completion certificate and 90-day of assess. So these are the important topics that are listed here. And about Amazon, Google, Microsoft are using app development, and 101K a year dollar is the average salary for my mobile app development. Now moving towards our third certification, eighth certification, that is become a data scientist, statistics for the data science. So it will be a 1 hour course, and there will be completion certification, 90-day of assess. Data visualization and hypothesis testing are the different topics. This type of certificate you will get. Now 613.7 billions expertise global diet 2028, and these are the average income for the data science. Now moving towards our ninth certification, that is Python for beginner. So it will be a 10 hour of course, and it will a completion. There will be completion certificate for you, 90-day of assess. All the important topics are listed here. You can go and check it out. So these are the major fact regarding Python. Now moving towards our 10th certification, that is Introduction to SQL. So SQL is a database management system, and 9 hour of course completion certification will be there. 90-day of assess for you. Important topics are listed here. This type of certificate you will get. Second most popular database management system in the world, and 101.293 dollars is the average annual salary for SQL developer. Now moving towards our major update, that how you can get these courses free of cost. Just I will be providing this link in the description. Just you have to copy this link, and you have to circulate on your social media. Then you have to invite your friend to skill up and get and at least 2 friends to enroll in a course. Once your friend are enrolled, they get 4 free courses, and you can enroll into any free of courses as you like. So these are the major update. Now these are all the 10 courses that are important to for you to complete in 2024, and this is the process. These are the 4 steps you have to complete, or you have to do to get all the free courses from Simply Learn. Now this is all about this video. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel for getting this amazing update from our side. like and share the video to those whosoever is looking for this type of upskilling courses. And 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 if meanwhile if you have any doubt, you can just comment to this video. We will be happy to sort out all your doubt. And and this is all about this video. I will catch you in my next video. Till that, thanks for watching. Have a good day.